Hi children, welcome back to Wisdom Ella English Medium Higher Primary School online classes. In previous class, you all learned about the international number system, isn't it? So how to read, how to write and how to put the commas also you all learned. Today, you are going to learn about the rounding of the numbers. That means estimation. You can call it as also a approximate. Now I tell you, you might have seen the cricket stadium. Exact numbers, can you tell the exact numbers of the audience in the cricket stadium? No. Approximately 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 people were there in the stadium. Even in fair also. Kottur fair, you all attended the Kottur fair also, isn't it? In Kottur fair, approximately 5 lakh people have gathered to celebrate the car festival of the Kottureshwara. So, exact numbers we cannot say. So, approximation we are going to say. That means rounding of the numbers or estimation or approximation. So, we can call it as in 3 ways. So, how to rounding of the numbers? First one, we are going to rounding of the numbers nearest to the 10. Let us see the first one. Rounding of nearest to the 10. When you round off the nearest to the 10, you have to see the place value of ones and tens. 26, 25, 24. These are the 3 examples I have written. How to round off the nearest to the 10, I will show you. See, ones place. When you round off the numbers nearest to the 10, you have to see the ones place. Here, ones place is 6. Here, 5. Here, 4. You have to see the place value of the ones. If it is more than 5, 5 are more than 5. So then you have to write the 0 in the place value of 1 and add 1 to the tens. If it is 5 are more than 5, then you have to replace the ones place 0 and add to the 1 to the tens place. How? See, 26 can be written ones place 0, add 1 to the tens place, that means 30. So, rounding off nearest to the 10, 26, 30. Approximate estimation, we say this. In the same way, 25. Already I have said 5 are more than 5. In ones place, make 0, add 1 to the tens place, this is also become 30. And even here 24. If it is 4 or less than 4, ones place 4 or less than 4, then you have to replace the ones place as 0 and tens place will be remains same as it is. Same as it is. So it becomes 20. So in this way, we have to round off the nearest to the 10. Okay, nearest to the 10. One more example. Just we have taken only here ones place and tens place. Okay, if you give more than these numbers, 5 or 4 digit numbers, how to round off the number nearest to the 10? I will show that some more examples. 4037. 4037. So when you round off the numbers nearest to the 10, you have to concentrate only these two tens and ones place. Already I have said, if it is 5 or more than 5, then you have to replace the ones place as 0 and add 1 to the tens place. So 4040. So ones place becomes 0 and tens place when you add 3 will become 4. So 4040. Understood this one? I hope you all understood this one. So till now you have seen rounding off nearest to the 10. Now let us move to the next concept. Rounding off numbers nearest to the 100. So when you rounding off the numbers nearest to the 10, you are going to see only ones place and tens place. Okay. When you round off the nearest to the 100, you have to see the ones, tens, hundreds. Mainly you have to concentrate on only ones and tens. Okay. If it is 50 or more than 50, if it is 50 or more than 50, you have to make the tens and ones place 0 and add 1 to the 100 place. Then it gives the nearest to the 100. How? For example, 465. 465. If it is 50 or more than 50, see here, this number you have to concentrate only tens and ones place. Whether it is more than 50 or less than 50. Yes, it is more than 50. If it is more than 50, then tens and ones place will become 0 and add 1 to the 100 place, then it becomes 500. So approximately or nearest or estimation will give 500. Listen, one more example I will show you on the basis of the 50 or more than 50. 7095. It is also more than 50 only. Then it becomes ones place and tens place will become 0 and 100 place you have to add one number. So 7100. If it is 534, it is less than 50. It is less than 50. If it is less than 50, tens and ones place, okay, it becomes tens and ones place will become 0 and 100 place the number remains as it is, 500. Understood? This is rounding off nearest to the 100. One more example I will show you. If it is 5 digit numbers, how will you round off the numbers? 40,765, 30,648. See here, when you round off nearest to the 10, concentrate on only tens and ones place. Here also tens and ones place. Here it is 50 or more than 50, isn't it? 50 or more than 50. This is less than 50. So here 40,800, because when it is 50 or more than 50, this ones and tens place will become 0. Add 1 to the 100, then it gives 4,800. Here it is less than 50, so 30,600. Already I told if it is ones place and tens place less than 50, these two numbers will become 0 and 100 place remains as it is. Okay, this is rounding off the numbers nearest to the 100. Now we will see the rounding off the numbers nearest to the 1000. Nearest to the 1000. When you round off the numbers nearest to the 1000, you have to concentrate on only ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, thousands. 75,666. 75,666. When you round off the numbers nearest to the 1000, you have to concentrate ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, if it is 500 or more than 500, okay, 666 is more than 500 or less than 500? It is more than 500. So these three, that means hundreds, tens and ones place will become 0 and add 1 to the 1000 place. That means it becomes 76,000. 76,000. One more example I show you. 85,465. 465. This is 500. That means less than 500. If it is 100 place less than 500, then it becomes 85,000 as it is. So if it is less than 500, 100 place, tens place and ones place will become 0. Here 1000 place remains as it is if it is less than 500. So this is about the rounding of the numbers nearest to the thousands. So I give you the homework in the classroom app. You have to go through that. Okay. So already, I think you all came to know about the how to round off the numbers. Rounding of the numbers nothing but estimation. Even it is approximation also. As I have given some of the examples before I start the class. So thank you.